Overcoming a broken relationship is a challenging process, but it's possible with time and self-care. Here's a brief guide. Acknowledge and accept the end of the relationship. Allow yourself to grieve and process your emotions. Reflect on the relationship and what went wrong. Identify any patterns or behaviors that contributed to the breakup. Lean on friends, family, or a therapist for emotional support. Surround yourself with people who care about you and can offer perspective. Establish boundaries with your ex-partner to create space for healing. Limit contact if necessary to avoid reopening wounds. Prioritize your physical and emotional well-being. Engage in activities that bring you joy. Practice self-compassion and take care of yourself. Release any lingering attachments or hopes for reconciliation. Accept that the relationship is over and focus on moving forward. Forgive yourself and your ex-partner for any mistakes or hurtful actions. Holding on to resentment will only hinder your healing process. Use this experience as an opportunity for personal growth and self-improvement. Learn from the relationship and strive to become a better version of yourself. Maintain a positive outlook on life and remain hopeful for the future. Trust that better things are ahead and that you will find love and happiness again. Healing takes time, so be patient with yourself. Allow yourself to heal at your own pace and know that it's okay to seek professional help if needed. By following these steps and giving yourself the time and space to heal, you can overcome a broken relationship and emerge stronger and wiser.